Hey, welcome back to the workshop. Today I got a channel update. Times are changing around here, and unfortunately I'm taking a new job in a new city. And at least for the time being, all this shop equipment can't go with me. Looks like the channel's going to change a little bit. I'm not going to stop doing projects, but I'm going to have to do smaller indoor projects. Big shop projects are going to have to be on hold for a while. But well, it's definitely not the end of this channel. Definitely not the end of me tinkering with stuff. I think that's a lifelong pursuit. So we'll see where it goes from here. Catch you later on down the trail.